are you from? Where do you live?
India.
Oh, you live in India?
Yeah.
You're not living in the UK?
No.
Big up India then. Where are you from?
Basically, we from India, Punjab, but we're living in Birmingham now, right now.
For how long in Birmingham?
Almost about 2 years.
And you're going to stay here or you're going back?
Going back.
How are you? When are you going back? Next year or you don't
Within
know?
half an hour.
No, when are you going back to India?
Maybe 1 year. 1 year.
Okay. Well, it's good that you can talk 2 languages, isn't it?
Sorry?
It's very good that you can talk 2 languages.
Yeah, very nice, very nice.
Would you like to say something in your language, please?
ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਹੁੰਦੇ ਆ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧੀਆ ਲੱਗਿਆ ਇਹ ਤੇ ਸਾਡੇ ਮਿੱਤਰ ਨੇ 5
Nice one, thank you. And where is it you come from per charge? Where is it in India?
From Punjab, Jalandhar.
Let's big that up then. Say it again.
We are Punjabi.
Big it up, Punjabi. Come on, big it up. Come on, let's go. And what is your name?
Parampreet.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, thank you.
What is your name?
Amna.
Nice to meet you.
Raj.
Nice to meet you.
ਬਿੱਲਾ
Nice to meet you.
ਬਿੱਲਾ ਜੋਰਾ
Nice to meet you. And what you all studying round here? You studying in the UK?
No, we did nice. We passed now.
Oh, have you? What
Yeah,
are you?
all
What are
of
you?
them.
Are you doctors?
No, we are mechanic, technician.
Oh, mechanical
Yeah,
teacher.
car mechanic.
You're all car mechanics. Well, you look very smart to be car mechanics, don't you? Crikey. You haven't got your overalls on today, have you?
We are car mechanic. We can fix cars.
Oh, really?
We always drop wood, but not hard.
Okay. Hey. Well, you must earn a lot of money to dress like this. You dress very well. Yeah. Can I just look at your trainers? What are they? Special ones? What are they?
Bell bottom.
No, the trainer, the foot. What are they? Any special name, your trainer?
Nike Air Force
They're
One.
Nike. Okay, cool. What are yours?
Timberland.
What are yours?
Timberland.
Big up Timberland. Nice one.
Very nice.
Okay, they're nice. These are nice and clean.
Desi brand.
Are they?
Desi brand.
Say it again.
Desi Punjabi brand.
Oh, are they from India?
Yeah.
Hey, big up India. Yay. And what are yours?
Adidas.
Adidas.
Yeah.
Nice one. So who's got the most expensive trainers on? Who's the most money?
This one.
Those ones.
Because this come from India, that's why.
Okay.
Expensive.
So you're the one with the money?
Yeah.
Yeah? You've got plenty of
very
paper.
he's very rich
Very rich. He looks
He's
very
very
rich,
rich.
doesn't he?
yeah
Doesn't he look rich? Are you married?
yeah
No, looking for girl here.
Why? Hey.
big 5
Really? Are you married?
No.
Have you got a girlfriend?
No.
Would you like one?
Finger.
Would you like one? Would you like a girlfriend?
Yeah, I like to make a girlfriend.
Give your number and try and ask. Give your number.
I will.
Oh,
I
good.
want to give my number.
Hang on, ask him first. Do you want to give your number? Do you want your number to get a girlfriend?
Yeah, I give you.
Give your number then. Go on.
074 3821 7474.
And that's your number.
Yeah, it's my personal number.
Say it again.
Yeah. 074 3821 7474.
So, any young lady is looking for a young man. Let's have a look at you. Stand still.
Not 5.
Let's have a look. Turn round. Hey. All right, a look for you, yeah? And what about you?
Want my number?
Are you single?
Yeah, I'm
And you'd like a lady?
looking for beautiful lady now.
Are you? Okay.
Yeah.
What, an English lady or an Indian lady?
Anyone.
Anyone.
Okay, press the pedal and down the wheel. One way
Give your
round the
number
track,
then.
please. No head on bumping,
Wait a
please.
second.
Wait a second,
My
yeah.
number is very important.
I know, it's noise.
So,
Shall we go there?
yeah, of course.
Come on.
So my number is 078 788 72130.
Is that an English mobile or an Indian?
Yeah, it's in English.
English
Yeah.
mobile. So if any young lady is looking for a very strong Indian man, have you got any muscles?
Yeah.
Can we have a look at your muscles?
No, we can't. Look like this.
Oh wow, that looks fantastic. You must work out well. Yeah, you look good, mate. Yeah. So anybody wants a strong man, here he is.
Yeah.
Turn round. Let's have a look at your back. Oh, cool. Nice one. Nice one. And what was your name?
My name is Aman.
Right. Okay.
My
Cool.
nickname for girls is Aman.
Okay. Nice
Yeah.
one. Any of your other friends want a lady? You want a lady?
Sorry?
Would you like a lady, or have you got a lady?
Yeah, I want lady.
Would you want one?
I don't understand what you say.
She wants a girlfriend. No, you don't. What about your other ones?
I'm single.
He has 3 girlfriends.
Really? Hey!
Yes, sir.
Oh, 3 girlfriends. You're greedy then. Cheater.
He lied.
Yeah. I like your earrings.
Thank you.
You got them in both ears.
Yeah. It's
Okay.
a gold one.
Oh, they're
Pure
nice.
gold.
Very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah. But I must say, you're very smart for car mechanics. You must be the bosses with the money and not the workers.
Come to Birmingham Old Way.
Yeah?
Gearbox Central. We
Okay.
can fix car, cheap price.
Where's that? In Birmingham?
Yeah, it's Birmingham Old Way.
And that's the name of your firm?
Yeah.
Is it your firm?
What?
Is it you the boss?
Yeah, I'm the boss.
Okay. Say the name of the firm then.
So the proper name is Gearbox Central in Old Way.
Okay.
Anybody want to fix car? If anyone in Birmingham, then come over there.
Fantastic.
We've done it.
Have you got a phone number for it?
Yeah, same number which I told before.
Same number for you?
Yeah.
And these guys all your workers?
Yeah, these are all my friends.
Oh, they're all your friends?
Yeah.
Okay. They're very smart.
That's why he have 3 girlfriends.
Who, him?
I don't have. He lied. Actually, he has 5 girlfriends.
Oh
He's
my
got 5?
Manchester, London,
Really? All over?
all cities.
Okay.
He lied.
Look, what is that?
Yeah, I heard 5.
Yeah, anyone believe that? So it's very nice to meet you. What's your good name?
Joy Taylor, I'll give you the channel afterwards.
Can't speak it.
What car do you have?
What?
What car do you have?
BMW 5 Series.
I thought you would. Nice car. What's the engine, the size of the engine?
It's 2.2 liter.
2.2. That's quite low, isn't it?
Yeah.
I thought you'd have had a bigger one than that.
No, it's not. It's 3 liter. We change it. We fix it.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
Well, it was lovely meeting you all. I'll say goodbye now. Where's the others?
So say bye.
All get together. Bye. See you. Where's the others? They coming or not? All right. Peace out. Peace out. Bye. Bye. Big up India. Come on. Big up India. Big up India.
Bye bye.
Say goodbye in your language.
Okay, चंगा टाटा बाय लव यू बहुत सारा प्यार मेरे वल्लों प्यार भरी सत श्री अकाल